here we have it. Shock is on the frame. Next up is the fork. And the wheels are Bontrager carbon wheels. And I've already put the cassette and brake rotors on them. Here's the fork. The handlebars up top. No spacers. Nice and convenient. Looking good. So we got the dropper cable run and the front brake is connected. Fork and the handlebars. I'm gonna need to shorten the housing for the dropper cable a little bit so it's not so, sticking out like that. And it does connect up here. And we got the cranks on down here, which is good. This goes up under there. So here we are. We finished last night about 11:30. The only thing we have left to do is bleed the rear brake. But this right here is the setup. I'm going to give you a rundown here of all the parts that we have. So for suspension, we have a 2023 RockShox Lyric Select Plus. I'm going to get silver decals for this as well for the shock. And for the shock, we have a 2022 RockShox Super Deluxe Select Plus as well. The frame, of course, is a Deviate Highlander with the high pivot. And we got really lucky because this takes a 126 length chain because of the high pivot, and you need more chain, and the chains come with 126. We didn't have to take any chain length off. The drivetrain is SRAM GX. The brakes, front and rear, are 4-piston Shimano XGs with 203 in the front and a 180 in the rear. The dropper is a Fox Transfer Performance Elite with a wolf tooth light action lever. Now coming down to the wheels, this is one of the unexpected parts. Is from the frame that I sold and the wheels, I got Bontrager Line Elite wheels, which are carbon, and they have 108 teeth of engagement. My cousin has these on his bike and they've lasted him a few years, so hopefully these will do the same, paired with a set of Maxxis Dissector 2.4 tires, and this is a 29er. This is the stock seat from my dad's e-bike, so this will probably be replaced first, if anything. And we kind of want to get a silver or red stem to match the pedals, and the other red pieces or silver to match the silver suspension stickers, and we have some other silver accents that we can add to this. But yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video when we'll probably be riding this off the drop and seeing how it actually rides and see how good the high pivot actually is.